All right, guys, it's the evening. Nope, you ain't coming over here. So, I'm making this chili out of these nuts. So, I've already soaked them for 12 hours, 13 hours, and I just rinsed them off. So now, I'm gonna put them in the food processor. And grind them up. All right, so there's a whole lot of them. It's 3 packages. So with that in mind, I don't want to grind up too much at one time. So I'll put that much in there. Okay? So I'm gonna set you guys over here. I got a lot going on in this van right now. And I need to open up this door because it's hot right now. Oh, I can turn my fan on. Hold on. All right, let's turn our fan on. All right, there we go. Maybe we can get some breeze going. All right. Yep, that felt better. Let me turn on another light over here because you guys can't see me. Let's see. What's up, Peanut? Go to bed. Oh, that air feel good. You might want to come lay down over here, Peanut. I'm coming. There. All right, we got more light. Okay. Oh, much better, right? Okay, so we're gonna grind these up. Oh, I might want to turn the power on, right? I knew it was working because I tried it earlier today. Alright, here we go. So it's about the right consistency. Let me see. Oh no, they still a little bit crunchy. Little, not crunchy, but just little bigger chunks. We don't want them in chunks. We want them kind of like a cornmeal consistency, I guess. I'll show you. All right. There we go. See that? That's how you kind of want them. They smell like peanuts. See that? All right, I'm just gonna grind it up just a little bit more to make sure I got all of these chunks out, because I don't want no chunks like in here. And then I gotta set up my food processor because they go there next. Okay? Alright guys, so I'm gonna get all of these nuts chopped up in the food processor, and then I'll be back. This window, I don't want nobody looking in here at me. So let me finish grinding up all these nuts, and then I'll be back. Okay? All right, guys. Saying the battery's running low, but I'll just do bits and pieces as we going along. All right, so we got all the nuts chopped up in here, doing good. Okay. All right. There we go. All right, so put this in my sink. I gotta do dishes in a minute. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like in here, okay? This is only the nuts. Let me hold it back some. There we go. See that? Only the nuts. So now we're gonna chop up some onions, carrots, peppers, and we're gonna put some garlic in it, and we're gonna season it how we want. Now I brought 2 of these hot chili seasoning mix, right? I got all the stuff from Aldi's, so I'm gonna cook it with one of these in here, and then when I get ready to make the chili, when I put the beans and everything else in there, I'm gonna put another one in there. So this one I'm gonna dump, boom, dump that whole pack in there, right? That's spicy, hot. If you don't like hot, don't get hot. I like hot. The person I'm making it for likes hot. So let me chop up these onions, peppers, and now I like to what you call it? Skin my carrots before I chop them up. So let me get all my veggies prepared to go in this pot, and then I'll be back. Smells good. I'm gonna let y'all see what this looks like before y'all go. It kind of looks like ground turkey or ground chicken, but this has got the seasoning from the chili in there. That's why it's red. That's the only thing I put in there so far. All right, so let me chop everything else up, and I'll be right back. I forgot, I chopped up some onions earlier today. It's not a whole onion, but I'm going to use all of it. So in goes the onion. This can be pretty messy in a van. Let me see if I need more. I like lots of onion. I'll just put some more in when I go to make the chili. So that's that for now. I'll throw that away. I got tons of dishes from earlier and tonight, so I'll be back. All right, guys. So this is what we're working with, okay? So I cut up some more onion, carrots, red peppers, orange and yellow peppers, and then I used some better than bouillon sauce, and it's the Italian herb one. Let me show you. They got different flavors, but this is just the one that I had. So I'm gonna put like a half a cup of water in there, and then I'm gonna let it simmer. Oh yeah, I put a little basil in there and some onion powder. I put some black pepper in there. I'm tired, guys. I can't even think of everything that I put in there. But you pretty much season it to your liking, you know? Whatever seasonings you normally use, that's what you put in there. And then you cook it on high for 1 hour in the crock pot. And then after 1 hour, you put it on low, and then you just let it cook the remainder of the evening. All right, so I just got to put the water in here and let it cook. I don't know if I'm going to do a half or a full cup. We'll see how it works out, but I'll let you guys know later on. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to get myself ready for bed. and I'm going to call it a night. Okay, guys? So, we'll talk again in the morning. Good night. Hey, guys. Grand Rising. All right, so last night, before I went to bed, I put the onions, peppers, and get peanut. Not right now. You always do this. You didn't had your time this morning. Put onions, peppers, excuse me. Onions, peppers, and carrots in the pot, all right? Now, guys, I had to cheat a little bit because my power station died on me last night. And when it died, I was not able to allow this to cook all night. Now, if I didn't let this cook all night, it was not going to be ready this morning, and I was not going to be able to leave on time, all right? So I came to my sister's house, and I plugged it up inside her house and just let it cook all night. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, can you see that? It's kind of bright, a glare from... Let me turn the camera. All right, didn't make my bed yet, so there you have it. See that? This is what the meat look like right now. It's just meat, okay? Just the nuts. That's it. So I got a big pot over here. Let me see. Maybe I can bring you guys over here to see it. I didn't make my bed yet. I didn't do anything. Just got up. I brushed my teeth. And I ain't had no coffee and nothing else. I just said, let me get this finished. So you see, it's a big pot. You can still kind of see a little bit of maybe peppers or carrots. I'm not sure what that is in there. But it looks really good. Now, that chili powder, that packet of seasoning that I used, I never used that before. I got that from Aldi's, and I don't think I like it that much. So I have this Badia chili seasoning. I'm gonna put some of this in here because I like my chili dark. That's what it's supposed to be to me, dark. I got some pink beans I'm going to put in here. I like chickpeas. I'm going to put those in there. And then I got another can of, where did my bag go? Oh, I put it in here. I got another can of kidney beans. I'm going to put that in there. You use the beans that you like. You know, whichever beans that you like, put that in there. I got a can of tomato paste. I'm going to put that in there. And now, for me, I don't know about you, but I don't like the juice that floats around in the beans. So I always pour that off, and then I rinse my beans off. And then I put them in my pot. Because I don't know what that water stuff is, but I don't like it. So I don't use it. But it's up to you. Do what you like. So let me put some in here. Because I like this to taste like chili. You know? But it tastes like chili. Oh, also, I didn't tell you guys. I got a can of diced tomatoes. I'm going to put those in there too. Because chili ain't chili without tomatoes. That's just me. You know? So let's see. You guys wanted the recipe. You guys said you wanted to see the chili. How to make it out of nuts. And I kid y'all, I am not joking. These are the same nuts. Y'all saw me grind them up last night. Those are the same nuts. The same nuts that I was soaking all day yesterday. So, let me get these cans open. Let me get these beans drained and washed. And I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I put my I ain't put no black beans in it. I usually do. But I only had one can left. And I didn't want to use my black beans. So, I put pink beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas in here. But like I said, use whatever beans that you like, okay? Whatever beans you like. If you only like kidney beans, only use kidney beans. If you only like black beans, use black beans. If you only like pink beans, use pink beans. I put the can of diced tomatoes in here, and I also put that can of tomato paste to thicken it up. Okay, so here is the chili, guys. See that? And if you could only smell it, like this whole van smells like chili. So I'm just going to let this marinate just a little bit. But it's ready. It's not that hot because I put all that other stuff in there, but that's good. That's good. So guys, you see it. Eat it with your cornbread, eat it with your crackers, whatever you like, however way you like to eat your chili. Now guys, today is Sunday, April 16th. It's cloudy and rainy out here, so my solar panel is not really working that well. I got 3% watts coming in to my 400 power Jackery. That is really good. That's really good. And I'm not tooting my own horn. I'm just saying that's good. So I'm going to get my day started. I got to get my shower, get dressed. I got to get ready to go meet Anthony, guys. I'm going to see Anthony today. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Yep, your girl getting ready to go. Okay? So, that was only 2 watts, but I'm going to let that simmer for a little while. I'm going to go inside my sister's house, take my shower, and get myself cute today, okay? I'll see you guys later because I will do some videos or some recording or some pictures or something while I'm hanging out with Anthony. All right, guys? Wish me luck. Meaning that I get there, okay? All right, guys. Until the next video, enjoy the rest of your day. Have more faith than fear. Blessings.